Welcome! In today's video, we're going to explore how to make a call on Discord using your Android device. Whether you want to chat with friends or have a serious discussion, Discord makes it easy to connect. Let's get started with the updated steps to make both voice and video calls. First, open the Discord app on your Android device. If you haven't already, ensure you're logged into your account so you can access your contacts and servers without any issues. Next, navigate to the contact you want to call. You can find them in your friends list or through direct messages. Once you've opened their profile, you're just a tap away from connecting. Now, take a look at the options available. To start a voice call, simply tap the phone icon located next to their name. This will initiate a voice call, and you'll be able to chat with them instantly. It's that simple. If you prefer a more personal touch, you can opt for a video call instead. Just tap the video icon next to their name, and you'll be connected face-to-face. Video calls on Discord provide a great way to see your friends while you chat, making conversations feel much more engaging. And there you have it. Making calls on Discord is quick and straightforward, whether you choose to chat through voice or video. Enjoy connecting with your friends and communities in a more dynamic way.